Today's video I'm gonna be walking you through how you could literally get a free US number for your WhatsApp verification. So right here, before I literally dive into the video, if you know you haven't subscribed to my channel, I would advise you subscribe to my channel right here and give the video a like. So the first thing you need to do right here is to head over to the Play Store. So once you're on the Play Store right here, all you need to do right here is to search for this app called Dingtone. You can see right here, this is how the app literally looks like. So you're gonna be installing the app right here on your phone. Just click on the app right here, then you can just install the app. So once you're done downloading the app on the Google Play Store, this is how the app is going to look like. Just click on it right here to create an account for yourself. Just click on the Get Started button. So once you click on the Get Started button, it's going to load up a bit. So let's just wait for it to load up. And right here, you will be able to register with your phone number right here. So you'll be asked to put in your phone number, or you could literally just register using your email address, phone number right here. So I'm going to be filling my phone number. So once you're done creating your account right here, this is how the app is going to look like. In order for you to get a free phone number right here, all you need to do right here is to come over to this section right here. Just go over to this corner right here. Just click on display. So once you click on this connect button right here, you'll be able to get this phone number right here. You can see right here the different kind of phone number you could literally get on this website. You could decide to get the US phone number, the Canada phone number, UK phone number, and different kind of phone number right here. You can see right here I just got credited 5 credit. And by the way, before I literally just forget, in order for you to get this phone number, you need to have a sum of credit for you to be able to get this phone number. And there are different ways you could literally get this credit. So you could literally get this credit through the free method by literally watching ads on this website, or you could also invite your friends. So once you invite your friends, they're gonna be giving you free credit. But if you know you don't want to do that, you could just buy credit right here on this website. And by the way, their credit on this website are literally cheap, so you could literally just try to buy credit right here. You can see this is what I was saying. So once you invite your friends, you're going to be getting 20 credit for each person you refer right here to this website. So I'm going to be leaving the link to this website right here in the video description. So once you click on the video description, you are going to be getting 20 credit for the sign up. So you're going to get 20 credits. I'm also going to be getting credit. So this is going to be a win-win for me and you. So all you just need right here is to click on the phone number you like to buy. So once you click on the phone number, you could either select them by the area code, or just try to pick up some random number right here. So it's going to generate you some random number. So it's loading up right here. Let's just wait for it to load. And yeah, you can see right here it's downloading. So I'm going to be closing this. So you can see you need almost 100 and 200 credit for a year. So you're going to be paying for this phone number every single year. That is the reason why I love Dingtone, because it's different from every other app that you're going to be paying for the phone number every single month. So on this website, you're going to be paying for the phone number every single year. Like I've said, if you're getting any value from the video, if you're finding the video helpful, make sure you subscribe to my channel, like the video for more video like they. Just click on get access to the phone number. So once you click on get access, so they're going to ask you to purchase the credit. So if you don't want to purchase the credit, I already told you how you could literally earn the credit free. So you could decide to invite your friends, or you could decide to watch ad. So in order for you to watch ad on this website, just go over to the more section. So once you go over to the more section, you're gonna see this option of you earning free credit. Just click on get free credit now. So once you click on get free credit, they're gonna prompt you right here to watch a ad right here. So you have to watch an ad. So once you watch an ad, and also you can also download some apps right here on the website. So once you download the app, they're gonna be giving you 100 credit right here. So that is just how this app literally works. And like I said, if you have found the video helpful, make sure you hit the subscribe button right here, and I'm gonna be seeing you guys in my next video.